Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you and I hope you all are safe. So see again I am here to teach you SST Standard 2 Lecture 2 means part 2 of chapter 15 Animals Around Us. So in first videos I have taught you about the domestic animals, pet animals, wild animals and the animals which found in many places. So before starting the next giving the answer, just take a short look at what we have learned in the first videos. So we know that there are different types of animals around us. Some are big and some are small. So first of all, what are wild domestic animals? Then the answer is some animals live close to our homes. Some animals live closer to our home and are quite useful to us. Such animals are known as domestic animals like cow, goat, buffalo, hens. So these all are the animals. They lived close to our homes and it is very helpful, useful to us. So these animals are known as domestic animals. Pet animals. So we can also keep some animals at home as a friends. That animals are called pets. Example, cat, dog, fish. So these all are the animals which we keep at home as a friend. Now wild animal. So there are some animals that lives in jungles. There are some animals who lives in jungles and lives very far away from us. Such animals are called wild animals. Like example, lion, tiger, then giraffe. In fact, like fox, leopard. So these all it's the very wild animals, and it is very dangerous for us. That's why they live us far from us. Next is we can find many animals on the different places, like in the sky, on land, in water and on trees. So we can find some animals also everywhere, like lizard on wall, ants on the floor and fish in the water and birds in the sky. So we can find these all animals everywhere. So here is picture and I told that you have to spot the 10 animals in the park and you have to divide it into the small animal and into big animals. So you can see the picture. I am just going to tell you the animals name. You can divide it into the small and big animals. So I am just telling you can complete it at home. It's the homework. No need to complete it in book. You don't need to complete in copy. You can complete in book. So you can see the bird. It is on tree. Then squirrel. Then cat. Dog is there. Frog is in the water. Fish is there. Then ladybug is there. Then cow, buffalo, horse. So these all are the 10 animals, but you have to divide it into a small animal. So in a small animal, the fish will come, the cat will come, the squirrel will come, the dog will come, then the bird, frog and ladybug. These all it will come in the small animal. And big animals is only 3 like buffalo, horse and cow. So the spellings you can write by own and you can complete it in your book. Next page. Just as we live in homes, houses, animals to make homes for themselves. Just for the animals, for the animal who lived in our homes, animals also for them we are just making the homes so that they can live. Like for us we have a house that we live. Like the animal also they make the house to live. So do you think a bird's nest is? Have you seen a beehive? So do you think a bird nest or maybe have you seen a beehives? Then a nest and a hive are both homes of animals. Nest where the house of birds and the hives which is house of bees. So these both are the house of animals. Nest is the house of birds and the hive is the house of bees. So these two are the homes of animals. So different animals makes different homes. So if the animals is different, so that's why they make the different homes. Like bird makes nest to lay eggs and raise their young ones. So like the birds, we know that they makes the nest on trees, and they lay the eggs on that nest, and they raise their young ones, they protect their young ones, and they give the foods, and these all the things. So in nest, so birds, the house is what? Nest. A rabbit makes a burrow. A rabbit makes a burrow for itself, but human beings make a hutch to keep rabbits in. So a rabbit is what? They can make a burrow by itself. No need to no need to take help from another. They makes the home burrow. Burrow is what? A hole in the ground. A hole in the ground where some animals live, like rabbits live. So they makes the hole in the ground where they can live. So burrow is what? It is the house of rabbit. But the human beings is what? They can make a hutch, means a home which make for a rabbit. But human beings make the hutch so that the rabbits, they can live there. You can see a beehives, a bird's nest, a dog's house is kennel, a horse house is stable, a monkey lives on a tree, a hen house is coop, a cow's house is shed, a squirrel lives on tree. So these all is what? Is the houses of the animals, and they lived in that houses. Now did you know is there? We can go and we can see that what is written. Many animals are often killed for fun. Yes, exactly, and it is very bad that many animals is what, and people is what, they are killing the animals for their fun, for the enjoyment. As a result of their number are reducing, and after that what, the animals which they are around us, the number is what, it's reducing. In order to protect animals, in order to protect some animals, the many forests have been made into national park and sanctuaries. So for what? For the helping of the forest, for helping of the animals, for protect the animals, the government is what? The government had made these all forests into the national park and into the wildlife sanctuaries, where these animals are safe and no one can harm them. So like the zoo are there, so like the government, they have made the house for all the animals, so they can save there, and we can go and we can enjoy that all animals. So please just be remember, don't kill any animals. Next is, animals make different kind of sounds and move in different ways. Animals, because they can't talk, so with the help of sounds, they can what? They can go and they can move from one place to another and to different ways also. Some animals walk, some animals fly, some swim and some crawl. So some animals walk like cow, dog, these they can walk. Some animals fly like birds, crow, butterfly, they can fly. Some animals, they can swim also, swim like the crocodile, the fish. And some can crawl. Crawl means in zigzag manner, so like snakes, then the caterpillar. So these all are what? They can walk with, and some animals can fly, some animals can swim also, and some animal can crawl also. Next is, animals are very useful to us in many ways. Animal is what? It can help us our life, to make our life easy in many ways. Like animals such as donkey, camel and horses, they carries our load. Yes, in the villages areas, these animals like donkey, camels and horses, they carry the heavy loads and they can go from one place to another. Sheep gives us wool. Sheep's animal is what? Sheep, it gives us wool, so that in winter times we are wearing the woolen clothes. Cows, buffaloes and goats gives us milk. So cows and buffaloes, it gives us milk, and we drink also, so that we can make a healthy person. Dogs guard our homes and protect our homes from the thieves and from the danger person, from the stranger. Horses, bullocks and buffaloes pull carts, and horses and bullock and buffaloes, they just pull the carts. Next is, we should not harm animals and their homes. So for protect the animals, and because they are very useful to us in different ways, for that what? We should not harm the animals and we should not harm their homes also. We should not be cruel to the animals. We should not be cruel and rude to animals. We should always be kind to animal and should not tease them if we tease then they can hurt us also. So it's better that we can just don't tease and we can just be kind with that animals. So yeah, your chapter is completed. The new words exercise that I will upload on the website, so you can go there and you can check your homework. Tomorrow again I will be taught you the new chapter, but before that please read the chapter. Till that, thank you and have a nice day.